Guys, today I have ordered Philips trimmer 7000 series MG7920. Let's open this packet. So inside there is a box. So we have the box inside. Guys, today I have a trimmer from Philips. It's called MG7920/65. It's a 7000 series trimmer. It has 13 attachments and it's cost around 4695, but I got it around for 3200 after discounts from Flipkart. And here's the box. Okay, let's open this up. So it's a full body trimmer, you can shave. Here's the first thing, the trimmer inside. Here's the button to on check. I think it's dead. It's made in Indonesia. It's water resistant. Here's the motor. Let's put it aside. So we have a cable, USB cable to charge this thing, some documentation, a pouch, with Philips logo. It's a complete body trimmer, so you can trim your beard, you can cut your hairs, you can shave your private parts, you can trim your nose, ears. Let's open the first compartment. We have multiple attachments. This is 9mm. This is 7mm. This is 5mm. This is 3mm. This is 12mm. And we have 16mm as well. This is a variable one. We can change from 1.12 up to 3 with a gap of 0.2 millimeters, like this. So it can attach like this, and we can adjust like this. See, this is one, and now it is going away. Let's open the second compartment. So this is body shaver. You can shave your arms, your legs, your chest, etc. And it can be attached like this. Currently it won't work as the battery is down. The second one is this. Its body, it's 3mm. Let's open the third compartment, that is for nose and ears, or for the precise cutting. So this is for the nose. So it will go like this. Let's take the last one out. This is for precise trimming. It will go like this. Also, we have a cleaning brush here. That's all. It's all the attachment at once. The top line is for the hairs and the beard. Second line is for the body, and the third line is for precise trimming or for the nose and the cleaning, the trimmer itself. Here's the cable. Here's the trimmer. Let's charge it quickly. Let's charge with the help of a power bank. So it's blinking. It means it's charging. You can't use while it's charging. Let's wait for some time to charge. It's charged for a few minutes now. Let's disconnect. Let's see, as you can see, it's working. Let's add an attachment. So this is the default sound. Let's put another attachment. This is the sound level with this attachment. This is for nose. We can put this one like this. Now check. That's all from the video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and happy trimming.